I'm not gonna film a lot while we're here at the ocean, but I just wanted to take a minute and show you this amazing condo. I don't know if you can see right behind me, but I just could not ask for a better location. We are in Orange Beach, Alabama. We are in Phoenix, building 7, and we are in condo number 7302. Yeah, that's right, 7302. I will put the link to the VRBO site where you can find this condo below. We've kind of already settled in, but I'm still going to show you around anyway. And I apologize that it's a little bit messy, but we've been at the beach. So you've got a sleeper sofa here, which is really nice, and super comfortable seating. Totally set up as far as entertainment is concerned. There is it says there's Netflix. We didn't really mess with that, but there's Dish Network. There's also free Wi-Fi. I'll show you the bathroom, which is kind of messy because we've been using it, as one does. Small, decent shower. Everything just kind of normal, cute little decor. Lots of storage, which is nice. And then when you come this way, I want to show y'all the kitchen, because that's the part I was kind of the most impressed with, is how big the kitchen is. You've got your kitchen table that will seat 4, but look at the size of this kitchen. I mean, I feel like we've rented other beach condos, and this feels really big to me. Fully outfitted, everything that you could want. Blender, coffee maker, sorry it's a little bit messy, toaster, all of your pots and pans and utensils, really cute dishes, of course wine glasses, mugs, full stove, everything you would expect. Very nice, very updated. And then of course this is why you're staying at the beach, is the view. I'll show you the bedroom when we go to leave. Scott's actually still in there sleeping, so I'll open the slider. So you are literally right on the ocean. There is your boardwalk that you take out. There's hoses all the way along to hose off. There's a place to put your shoes. And then you are not too far from restaurants and shopping and that sort of thing. You can see sort of down the beach that way. I have really enjoyed just coming out here and watching the water and having coffee and all that. So anyway, really beautiful pool complex here. I'll kind of pan around and show you that. This unit is actually very close to the pool. So there's the pool, little bridge, the fountain. There's an indoor pool in this building as well. And then that's your view going that way. So beautiful unit. Okay, so here is the bedroom. You hear the TV in the background, but king size bed, extremely comfortable. I just sort of made it, not totally great, but 2 bedside tables, 2 lamps, really cute artwork over the bed. Sheets were nice, bed was super comfortable. There is a window right here, but that window goes out into the front entry area, so you probably want to leave that curtain closed. But TV in here, and also a really nice size closet right there. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys. There is, in the entryway, a washer and dryer. So if you are on a beach vacation, you're definitely gonna want a washer and dryer. We didn't use it because we were only here for 2 days, but if we were here for longer, we would definitely want to use it.